What if I told you that right now, in a secret Google DeepMind lab, an artificial intelligence is performing calculations so advanced it's essentially rewriting the rules of physics as we know them? This isn't speculation. This is AlphaFold 3, and what it's capable of will fundamentally change how we understand biology, chemistry, and the very fabric of reality itself. Before we dive into these earth-shattering revelations, I need you to do two things for me. First, smash that like button, because when YouTube sees you engaging with this content, it helps push this video to more people who need to see it. Second, share this with one friend who's interested in cutting-edge technology, because what we're about to uncover is too important not to spread. Now, let's rewind for a second. You've probably heard of the original AlphaFold, the AI that solved the protein folding problem, a scientific mystery that had stumped biologists for over 50 years. That was impressive enough, but AlphaFold 3 is operating on an entirely different level. Where the original could predict protein structures, AlphaFold 3 can simulate complete molecular interactions in ways that should be physically impossible. We're talking about modeling chemical reactions with perfect accuracy, predicting how experimental drugs will interact with human cells, even simulating DNA behavior under conditions we've never been able to replicate in laboratories. But here's where things get really interesting and slightly concerning. Google isn't releasing the full version of AlphaFold 3 to the public. While they've made a limited version available to researchers, the most advanced capabilities are being kept under tight wraps. This begs the question, what exactly are they hiding? To understand why this is so revolutionary and potentially dangerous, we need to look at how AlphaFold 3 works. Traditional molecular simulation requires unimaginable computing power. It's like trying to predict the exact movement of every single molecule in a glass of water as it evaporates, an impossibly complex calculation. Yet AlphaFold 3 does this effortlessly. How? The frightening truth is that we're not entirely sure. Some leading researchers suspect it's not just following known scientific laws. It's discovering new fundamental principles of chemistry and physics that humans haven't even conceived of yet. This is where the scientific community becomes divided. On one side, optimists see this as the key to curing diseases, developing revolutionary new materials and solving energy crises that have plagued humanity for generations. Imagine an AI that could design the perfect cancer drug overnight, or discover a room temperature superconductor that would revolutionize energy transmission. But on the other side, skeptics warn this could make human researchers obsolete. Why spend billions on particle colliders and lab experiments when an AI can simulate the results perfectly? More concerning still, what happens when an AI starts making discoveries we're not ethically or intellectually prepared to handle? We're standing at the precipice of a new era in scientific discovery. For the first time in human history, we have intelligence that isn't just assisting our research, it's surpassing our capabilities entirely. The implications are staggering. Will this lead to a golden age of scientific advancement? Or could it create dangerous dependencies where we blindly trust AI's conclusions without understanding how they were reached? One thing's for certain, the world of science will never be the same after AlphaFold 3. If you're as fascinated by these developments as I am, I need you to take action right now. First, subscribe to this channel because we're just scratching the surface of how AI is transforming our world, and you won't want to miss what comes next. Second, leave a comment below. Do you think AI like AlphaFold 3 will ultimately help or harm scientific progress? The future is arriving faster than anyone predicted. The question is, are we ready for it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more groundbreaking AI developments that are reshaping our world.